Krishna of 7th class from YSR district. Now I am going to tell you what is the present, past, future condition of mathematics in India. Nowadays, the mathematics developed so much, and nowadays the mathematics are using in many ways, such as measurements, counts, and also the rays falling the sun to the earth also counting. So math is very useful in our daily life. So without math we can't do anything, because Aryabhatta discovered the zero, and the Bhaskaracharya invented the value of zero. So all these mathematicians are great mathematicians, and one of the great scientists in India, that is Srinivas Ramanujan. Do you know anybody who is Srinivas Ramanujan? Okay, I will tell. Srinivas Ramanujan was the father of mathematics. He was Indian mathematician, and autodidact who, with almost no formula training in pure mathematics, made extraordinary contribution to pure mathematics and made extraordinary contribution to pure mathematics and continued fractions. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode and Madras Presidency in the residence of his maternal grandparents. And during his short lifetime, he discovered nearly 3,900 results, mostly identities and equations. And he married to a 9-year-old bride. She named is Janaki Amal. And he discovered Moksha functions, and he elected a first Indian to be the Royal Society and the Trinity College, Cambridge. And he discovered the first Indian biographers discussed rigorously or orthodox. Next, so he is the great scientist, great mathematician in India, and he died in 1919 in Kumbakonam. And his birthday is celebrated here, the National Mathematics Day. His birthday is 22nd December, and so he is the great mathematician in India. Next, Srinivas Ramanujan's theorems have been proven right. There have been greater appreciations of Ramanujan's work and brilliance. So he is a great mathematician in India. Next, in olden days, people are well known for the mathematics, and they are feel fear about the mathematics. But nowadays, the fear break out from the people, and nowadays so many jobs are available in nowadays. So nowadays the mathematics is so much developed, and in olden days the women are fear about the mathematics. So they did not take interest in mathematics. But Bhaskaracharya was a great mathematician, and he discovered the value of zero. And his daughter Leelavati is the only woman in olden days have interest in mathematics. But nowadays so many women are well known in mathematics, and so in nowadays Shakuntala Devi is a famous mathematics, and he was a great mathematician. And in olden days no have reference books for the mathematics, but nowadays by the hard work of great personalities we have a reference books and textbooks and famous scientist books, etc. Next we have Charles Babbage invented a computer. In that also the details of mathematics also have. So he discovered. So in that the past period than to the nowadays the mathematics is developed so much. So mathematics in our daily life, mathematics play a important role and the visual role. So one thing I will tell you. So the world is depend upon the scientists, but the scientists are depend upon the mathematics. So where there is no mathematics, there is no perfect life. So in our daily life, mathematics is used for so much. So thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.